Hey there and welcome back. In the last video, we learned some tips and tricks and strategies around prompt design and GPT-3. In this video, we're going to take a look at an application of some of those strategies. I've built a little app here, kind of a chatbot type thing. We'll call it our hipster friend. Basically, it's an agent that you can talk to. In this case, we're going to chat with it, but you could imagine it being used in a voice situation as well to recommend you some cool new books or movies or pieces of music to kind of go a little bit beyond what you already know. So it'll greet us and say, hey, I can help you find some hidden gems. What topic do you want to explore? Let's say films. Any specific things that you really liked? So these two pieces of text from our hipster friend are actually hard-coded. What we're doing now is gathering two pieces of information, kind of a topic and a specific thing that you like, and we're going to add these to our prompt. So if we take a look here, there's a little piece of code that's helping this all run. Basically, we're making a base prompt. So we have a kind of setting the stage for our zero-shot prompt, letting GPT-3 know that this is a conversation with a cool intellectual hipster friend. And then we're going to start the conversation. We're going to collect that topic, add it to the prompt, and we're going to collect that specific kind of thing and add it to the prompt. And then we're going to package all this together along with the GPT-3 model, the max number of tokens, the temperature, all the same things that are existing in the playground. We're just going to use it programmatically in our app. So we'll say that the specific thing that we liked is I loved The Lion King. I did love The Lion King. So now what this is going to do is query GPT-3 and come back with some recommendations. So we see here that it took in the fact that we wanted to talk about films, that we love The Lion King, and it's going to recommend us some more off the beaten path type recommendations, which I think is really cool. Some Studio Ghibli, some French films. So this is kind of cool. And what's also cool here, we can see in our code and in our prompt design, is that with each conversational turn, we're actually going to update the prompt with what GPT-3 responded with, and then what the learner is asking as their follow-up. This is what Chat GPT-3 kind of does under the hood, and we've recreated it using the GPT-3 API. So we can continue the conversation. That's really cool. But do those films have lions? I really like lions and cats in particular. Let's see if it can recommend us anything to do with lions and cats. None of them have cats. Oh, it recommends Roar and The Cat Returns. So these are really cool recommendations, and for someone who's worked on chatbots like myself, I think it's really awesome that instead of writing all these answers or drawing these answers from some sort of knowledge base, you can query them so flexibly with GPT-3. So this app is working. It's using prompt design as well as the GPT-3 parameters. You can see that we've got our temperature set at 0.8 to make it be a little bit more creative. And it's an illustration of a little bit of the power and flexibility of the tool that we have on our hands. So thanks for watching. In the next video, we're going to start diving into fine-tuning, which is a whole other side of GPT-3, where you can basically build custom models using data sets to make your GPT-3 model super focused and just totally aligned to your use case. So I will see you in the next video.